welcome back to our
channel.
Today's video we're gonna make
cheesecake.
Today we're gonna make strawberry cheesecake for you guys. So stick around and watch this video. And don't forget to like
and click the button and subscribe. Already click the button.
What we're gonna use to make this no-bake cheesecake, we're gonna use 3 Philadelphia cream cheese. We're gonna use 3 Philadelphia cream cheese. We're gonna use melted butter, which is 1/4 cup of butter. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of gelatin on flavor. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 cup of sugar, white sugar.
And heavy milk.
I'm gonna use 1 pint of heavy cream. And we're also gonna use some graham crackers. And you can go ahead and use digestive crackers, graham crackers. And that is what we'll be making. And we're also gonna use some strawberries. Now we're gonna start by mashing the graham crackers because you want them to be your crust or your base for the cheesecake.
For the cheesecake.
On the bag.
Yep.
Or you can go ahead and use a food processor. But we don't have any food processor. We're using this process.
Just to get them out, Mommy.
Yeah, I'm trying taking them out. Okay.
And just put this up there. Also, we'll get out. No, Mommy, I'm going to do this.
We're going to put 1. So we're using 2, yeah. So we have lots of crust. You don't like crust? I love crust on it. I like when it has a lot of crust.
Well, interesting. See, I have crust.
You want to taste it? Taste it.
I like it.
Okay.
I like crust.
A rolling pin, and you're going to just break this up like so.
Go, Mommy.
Now we're finished mashing this up. We're going to go ahead and add the melted butter.
The melted butter.
Yes, we're going to go ahead and add the melted butter. Take your time.
Just take your time. Also, it's butter on the floor.
Yep. Wait, no, we're just going to add the melted butter first. We're going to use the butter to combine the crackers.
The crackers combine.
Yeah. We're using the butter to combine the crackers because we want it to have a good hold. Now I'm going to add this to the cheesecake pan. Nice and flat like this. Give it a nice crust. Now I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and I'm gonna put this in the fridge and then prepare the cream cheese filling. I'm gonna go ahead and make the cream cheese filling. You want to get rid of all of the lumps. Nice and smooth. You're gonna make it. You're gonna whisk it a little bit till it's nice and smooth. Vanilla. And this is 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dissolve the gelatin. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of hot water. Now I'm gonna go ahead and whip the heavy cream, and I'm gonna use 1 cup. I'm gonna go ahead and whisk this at soft peak. Now this is at soft peak. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the cream cheese filling. I'm also gonna add the remainder of sugar. Nice and creamy. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add these strawberries. I'm gonna go ahead and add these strawberries. I'll leave the measurement down in the description below. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the cream cheese filling. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add this into the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours. You can leave it overnight, but I'm gonna wait till 2 to 3 hours to take it out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make the strawberry filling. I have some strawberry here, which is about 1.5 cups. I have 1 cup of sugar. I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, some water, and a lemon. So I'm gonna add all the water to the pot. I'm gonna add the strawberries. I'm gonna add some water to the cornstarch. I'm gonna add the sugar. Add in the lime juice. I'm going to dissolve the cornstarch. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add the cornstarch for it to get thickened up. Just want to leave it for it to get like a thick consistency. So you're just gonna make it stay there and simmer. So the cheesecake is set, and now we're gonna open the foam pan. Oh, ah. And there you have it, our strawberry cheesecake. And now we're gonna go ahead and dig in. It looks beautiful to you?
Yeah.
Ooh, strawberry. Do you want to slice? Do Maya want to slice or Maya want to slice?
I don't want no the strawberry on the cake.
You're just gonna go ahead and wipe your knife off and give it another cut.
Another cut? Like a pizza. I mean, like a pie.
Yep. Gonna eat this strawberry.
Mommy, come on. We're gonna give it. Take it out, but how? With
Just
a
like
knife?
this. Yeah, with a knife.
Okay, I can help you.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna help you take it out. I want you to take the strawberry out.
Just like this. Look at that. Oh my god. And now we're gonna just go ahead and put some. Now we're gonna put some strawberry. We're gonna go ahead and put some strawberry. This was the sauce that we made. The filling. Just gonna go ahead and put some on top. Wait, Amaya. Put some on top. And we're gonna go ahead and do. Gonna put some whipped cream. My favorite thing. And then we're just gonna go and get our knife. And wow, look at that. No, my friend. No.
I was gonna eat that part.
Taste it. The crackers in there. Oh my god.
But I was gonna eat that part.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
Good? Wow, I like it. Mommy did good there now. Tell them.
Mom did good, yeah.
Perfect with the cheesecake. Ooh la.
Yeah.
So this is our finished product, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, leave a comment down below.
Oh.
And subscribe if you aren't already. Subscribe. A delicious cheese.